So let us solve one more question by the same method of multiplication that we have just studied just now. Okay, let us multiply 5 7 6 9 8 3 multiply by 37. By using the same method, you can simply multiply first of all this 7 is 21, so 2 will be carry on. 8 7s are 56 plus 9 will be 65 plus 2 carry on tha, so basically it will become 67. 6 will be carry on. Now multiply 9 cross 7, that is 63 plus 24. 63 plus 24 73 83 87. 87 plus 6 will be carry on, so 93. 9 will be carry on. Okay, now you have to multiply this number. 6 7s are 42 plus 27. 52 62 62 plus 7 will be 69. 69 plus 9 is carry, so your answer will be 78. 7 will be carry. Now you have to multiply this number. Okay, so for that you have to multiply this number. Okay, so for that 7 7s are 49 plus 18 59 69 67. 67 plus 7 is carry. 67 plus 7 is carry, your answer will be 74. 74. So 7 will again be carry. Now you have to multiply this number. Okay, so for that 5 7 is 35. 35 plus 21. 35 plus 21 will be 45. 55 56. 56 plus 7 is carry, so your answer will be 63. 6 is carry. Now you just have to multiply 5 cross 3, that is 15 plus 6 is carry, so your answer will be 21. You get an answer of 2 1 3 4 8 3 7 7. This is your answer. And let us see the difference when you solve it by using a normal technique, that what everyone does while solving. Let us see that also, what you can easily notify the difference. First of all, you multiply 7 7 21, 2 will be carry, 8 7 56, 58 5 will be carry, 9 7 63, 5 will be carry 68, 6 7 42, 6 will be carry, 6 7 42, 6 7 42, 6 will be carry, so 48, 7 7 49, 3 will be carry 53, 5 7 35 plus 5 is 40. Now you have to multiply this. 3 is 9, 8 is 24, 9 is 27 29, 6 is 18 20, 2 carry 7 is 21, 23, 5 is 15 16 17. If you just add, you get an answer of this. Is you similarly get an answer of this. Okay, you can add it simply. So you will get a same answer definitely, but the thing is that in this step you have taken 2 steps, and in this step you have just solved by taking 1 step. So this will definitely help us in saving your time. Okay, so hope you can solve it easily. Now let us give you one homework. Okay, you can answer your inbox. Okay, this will be your homework. Okay, and trust me, process is easy, not difficult. Only the thing is that since you have seen this concept first time, that's why it seems to be difficult for you. But the more you practice, the more easy it will become, and the more easy you can solve. Okay, so practice hard. In the next video we will be dealing with the same concept of multiplication, but that time we will be dealing with how to solve how to multiply a 3-digit number. We have a same formula for 3-digit also, but only a little bit of difference is there. So first of all, practice this, then that will definitely help you all. Okay, that's all from my side. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.